Hi Dress Up Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw a super easy Christmas tree. So let's get started. To draw this cute Christmas tree, let's first start by drawing a big triangular shape. So I'm going to come right here and give myself a point right in the center at the top, and I'm going to bring 2 angle lines down. So as I draw this, I don't necessarily want my Christmas tree to be very, how would you say it, hard. So I kind of want these lines to be a little bit rounder if that's possible for a straight line. So it's just not perfectly straight. I'm just going to kind of soften it up by giving a slight curve as I go down. I don't want it to look like a pizza, so I'm just going to kind of round it off a little bit. And I'm going to bring this down to say it's all up to you how tall you want your Christmas tree. So let's say about right there. Now that both sides are even, we're going to start to draw the bottom. So now I'm going to come bring it down, and this part, have fun with it. It's all up to you how much detail you want to put in it, but I'm going to go ahead and go around and just draw a bunch of curves. And as I come to the center, it's going to be a little bit lower and then going back up. So the center is like a little bigger one. But as I come back to this side, we're just going to go back up to connect. There, we just create the skirt for our Christmas tree. I'll make this a little bit rounder. So hopefully you can see what I meant. My line is kind of soft. Come back in here and darken this up. Okay, so there, now I have this big triangular shape in. Let's go ahead and break it up. So I'm going to break it into 3 sections. So I'll come back to, may say about right here, and I'm going to just draw 3 curves all the way across. And then one more layer, so maybe about right here. So this is just a super easy way to draw a Christmas tree, just by starting off with a triangular shape and then adding these levels in there. There, and there you go, you have a Christmas tree, right? And now to spruce it up even more, let's add a star right at the top. So let's come up here, and I'm going to go ahead and draw 2 angle lines down. And then I'm going to round this off for my points, for my star. So I'm kind of drawing this star backwards. Then I'm going to go up towards the center, go my center point up right about here, and then draw the last point and bring it in there. And then let's draw the bottom. So let's find our center all the way down. Let's say about right here. I'll give myself a point, and so that's my center. So I'm just going to kind of go draw 2 angle lines right there and connect at the bottom for my base. And that is pretty much it, right? So hopefully this was very simple and easy for you to draw a Christmas tree. Now to spruce it up even more, let's add some Draw So Cute eyes. So I'm going to come about in the center section. I'm going to come right here and draw a big circle. And I'm going to come right across by right here and draw another circle. There. So now I have my 2 circles in. Let's make them Draw So Cute eyes with 2 small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There, throw my eyes in. I'm going to come to the top of each eye and just draw a soft curve. And then in between the eyes, let's add a sweet smile. So I'm just going to draw a small little curve and then cap it off. There. And then to decorate it, you can put whatever you like, but today I'm just going to keep it nice and simple, and I'm just going to add a bunch of circles for some ornaments. So we can just add more color to this tree. So I'll just stagger some circles and then add a bunch at the bottom. Just here and there, just fill up the space. I really hope this inspires you to draw your Christmas tree. And last but not least, I'm going to add a heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Christmas tree. And so I just want to give you a little tip. If this was, you could start off like this to draw a Christmas tree. Now, if you want to spruce it up even more and take it one more step, you can just draw a line right here. So basically you're bringing in this layer. So you would erase this and bring it down, bring it in, and then you would have one more layer, and then same thing here. You would just draw another line right here and erase this. So then you have three different layers instead of just one big triangular tree. So, but that's if you want to take it to the next step. But that is pretty much it for this super easy, hopefully, Christmas tree to celebrate the holidays. I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.